grown up bitch looking like Salid, not that booty. I need that blue white bitch on TikTok, chillin', teapot, two left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thot. She can never let the bitch alone with my seat. My better bitch skipping, bumping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox. See like a beatbox, all grown up bitch looking like Salid, not that booty.
Could've been.
This is the DJI Osmo Action 6. Do you want to get shots like this? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get them with the DJI Osmo Action 6. Before we start, let's set up the DJI Osmo Action 6. These are the settings I use to get more cinematic look. Once that's set, we're ready to go. So right now, we're here on the road with lots of coconut trees. And I think this place is perfect for our first shot, which is called the low angle shot. Keep the camera close to the ground, move forward slowly, and let the background add depth behind your subject. It instantly feels more cinematic. The next one will be the follow shot. Follow your subject from behind or the side to make the viewer feel part of the scene. The next one is the push-in shot. Simply move slowly toward your subject while keeping the camera steady. This creates depth and naturally draws attention to your subject, making the shot feel more cinematic. The next one is the reveal shot. Start with your subject block, then slowly move the camera to reveal the scene. This creates a clean reveal shot and make the shot feel more cinematic. The next one will be the underwater shot. Follow subject underwater with slow and steady movement. Let them lead the frame for a smooth and cinematic feel. The next one will be the night shots. For low light scenes, switch it to super night mode. This helps your footage stay bright and clear, even in low light situations. Keep your movement smooth, use the available lights around you, and let the shadows and highlights create the mood of the shot. The last one will be the macro shot. Get close to small details like water, textures, or your gear. These shots add variety to your sequence and make your video feel more cinematic. And that's how you get cinematic shots with just one camera. With the DJI Osmo Action 6 in your hands, every moment has the potential to become a cinematic story. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and follow for more filmmaking tips. This is Andre Vidanes. Thanks for watching.